Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word predilections. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Sarah's predilections for mystery novels led her to start a book club focused solely on the genre. Predilections refer to personal preferences or inclinations towards certain things or activities, often stemming from individual taste or bias. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.